designed to drive the sustainable growth of its technological ecosystem. By acquiring bank shares, you gain access to a strategic opportunity that allows you to take an active role in the platform's development, enjoy exclusive benefits, and participate in the global growth of the system. The value of the Bancus ecosystem is projected based on three fundamental pillars: ongoing global expansion, increased use of its digital tools, and the sustained growth of its community. The greater the adoption, the stronger the system becomes. Bancus features an internal yield program where your shares can generate periodic benefits within the ecosystem. This model's based on real user activity, the constant use of its tools, and the system's own dynamics. Ownership of the Bancus ecosystem is represented by 300 million private digital shares. Each user has the opportunity to acquire as many as they wish, becoming a co-owner of the Bancus ecosystem. The RUWAD bank shares operate on the BNB Smart Chain network with a current price of 18 cents. With growth projections estimating a value of $1.50 in July 2026 and $3.35 in December of the same year, and a capitalization projection for 2027 of $1 trillion. Additionally, Bancus incorporates a unilevel compensation model that allows you to earn income by expanding your network, with commissions up to 10 levels deep and from levels 6 to 10, 1% per level. You can also boost your shares through the staking system, generating estimated returns of 1.25% monthly and 3.75% quarterly. Bancus is not just a platform, it's a growing ecosystem where active participation drives collective value. More growth, more opportunities, more benefits for you.
Greetings, everyone. In case we have not met, I am Eric Ture Muhammad. I am the United States Director of Sales for Bancus, and I'm sharing with you your opportunity to build towards legacy wealth. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple of things here that are not in development. They are, in fact, in play. So I'm going to share the screen and encourage you all to look at this with a real attentive eye. Okay, so allow me, folks, to share with you what is known as BANC Token. Now, BANC is the tokenization of an entire ecosystem. This is a digital asset that allows you to grow alongside bankers. It's about ownership and control. This presentation will show you how you can have both ownership and control. You're allowed to participate in the growth of one of the fintech and real-world asset ecosystems with the highest global expansion potential. Currently, our token is sitting at 20 cents per token. That's the value as of June 2026. Current bank value, 20 cents per token. Now, BANC is the real world asset, or the RWA, of bankers. It's no longer just about using platforms. Now you can grow with them. BANC transforms the community into an active part of the ecosystem. You are not simply buying a token. You're participating in an ecosystem's growth. You're building a global network. You're generating expansion-based income, and you have access to ecosystem benefits. What you're talking about here, folks, is legacy wealth. See, the future belongs to communities that participate. Now, the real world asset, or the RWA, of Bancus is explained here on this screen. BANC represents the tokenization of the Bancus ecosystem. We're talking about the entire ecosystem. As a result, you're talking about 300 million BANC tokens available to you. That represents 100% of Bancus. Blockchain is on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, and the digital asset backed by a real ecosystem. Real users plus real products plus real expansion. This is not a speculative cryptocurrency. It is digital ownership over a real ecosystem. And the benefits, digital ownership, participation in ecosystem growth, ecosystem access, staking, and future governance system. All right. Just take a look at this screen here and you see the evolving. When we came before the world um, a few short days ago, it was about the Bancus cards. All right. Now we have opened up the entire ecosystem and have again tokenized it 300 million tokens or shares, if you will, that can be any of yours. We have a mint project, a mint marketplace, pay by bankers, leverage by bankers, Select by bankers, and of course our wallet. See, an ecosystem is not an ecosystem, it is not built to scale. Every new product strengthens the ecosystem. Every new user increases activity. Every new expansion increases the value of the system. More adoption equals stronger bank ecosystem. It's just plain and simple. Now, entering early changes everything. And I just want you to see the growth of this. This real world asset market is expanding rapidly. And Bancus aims to position itself at the center of this global transformation. Now, let me just give you the stage and the values. See, the pre-sale of the token began in 2024, entering at 10 cents per token. As of June this month, 2026, it is now sitting at 20 cents a coin, and the projection of November 2026 is $1.73, and the projection in December of the end of this year, is $3 even. The strongest growth happens before mass adoption. Now, key drivers to this has been in our international expansion, our mint marketplace, user growth, global exchange listing, and new ecosystem products. And you'll learn more about that as it grows out. Now, you can earn through the network growth in the compensation plan. You can generate income through the activity of the people within your network up to 10 levels deep. Bank includes a multi-level distribution system designed to accelerate global expansion. It runs through levels 1 through 10. Levels 1, 6% plus 5% in tokens. Level 2, 5%. Level 3, 4%. Level 4, 3%. Level 5, 2%. And levels 6 through 10, 1%. Now, what makes this such an amazing feat, folks? It's really simple. Organic expansion, incentivized community, global growth, network duplication, and international distribution. But it doesn't stop there. Not at all. You see, as the ecosystem grows, your tokens can grow too. Staking your bank is more than holding. It's participating in the growth of a real ecosystem designed to generate long-term value. We're talking legacy wealth potential, folks. Estimated yield of each token, 1.25% monthly or 3.75% quarterly. Yields are estimated and may vary based on ecosystem performance. Now, stake, earn, grow. Be part of the real growth. The stronger the ecosystem, the greater your potential. Staking benefits include passive income generation. Earn yields while you hold and support the ecosystem. Long-term holding incentives designed to reward commitment and long-term vision. Active ecosystem participation. Your staking supports the expansion and stability of the ecosystem and greater ecosystem stability. Staking strengthens the network and drives sustainable growth. This is what we have here, folks. More than a token, a complete ecosystem powering the value of bank. Bank combines digital banking, blockchain, RWA tokenization, marketplace infrastructure, liquidity, payments, global community. Most tokens promise utility. Bank already has it. Folks, the financial infrastructure of the future is here. Digital banking, modern financial solution for a global world, blockchain, secure, transparent, and decentralized infrastructure, real world asset tokenization, real world assets brought on chain for real value, marketplace infrastructure powering digital commerce and real utility, liquidity, deep liquidity for sustainable growth, and payments. We're talking about fast, efficient, and borderless payments, folks. It's a global community, a worldwide community building the future together. Now, just look at this clear path as we draw to a close of sustainable impact. BANC is executing in phases to scale adoption, expand utility, and create long-term value for the ecosystem. Our goals are to drive mass adoption, are to expand globally, to increase ecosystem value, and build with security. Every step we take brings us closer to a bigger mission, which is financial freedom for all. Phase one included the build out from Q4 of 2024 that laid foundation and infrastructure. Now, phase two occurred and it was about expanding from 2025 throughout 2025, ecosystem growth and product expansion, including the marketplace, new use cases, global marketing campaigns. We're now in phase three of the scale, mass adoption and integration, more integrations, strategic alliances, user and developer growth, and then 2027 and beyond, that's phase four, folks. Leading the next financial ecosystem, continuous innovation, cross-chain expansion, and real-world impact. Together, folks, we can do it. Together, we can build the future of finance. BANC is more than a token. It's a movement, an infrastructure, and a community united by purpose. Be part of the change. Be part of BANC. Remember, strong community, solid infrastructure, limitless potential, sustainable growth. Your journey has just begun. We encourage you to join us by simply going to the one that introduced this opportunity to you. Get their referral link because you can only join by way of referral, and let us build BANC together. The future is BANC. Together, we build more. We also encourage you to visit banktoken.io, where you can see the fullness of what we have in our ecosystem. In fact, if you click on the blue tab in the upper right corner of your screen there, when you go to banktoken.io, you'll see commission system. You click on that system, you'll see the full emphasis of how this growth occurs, either by earning the commission for yourselves and or staking the value of your BANC token. Thank you for your time and attention. Look forward to seeing you on the other side of money. Forward.